No, this is not clickbait, and yes, we are very excited. This is a big day. We are moving to France. Why would we move to France right after we built our dream home? That's a very good question that you ask. And we will explain it all, but first, we gotta hit the road, travel all the way to Paris, maybe over a baguette. We will tell you what is happening, because this is one of the biggest things that we've ever done, and it could determine the future of our family, or at least Leslie and I, for the next 20 years. I gotta go. Let's do this. It is a beautiful fall day. We've got this crazy plan where we move to France. Now, to be fully transparent with you, we're not moving here forever. We just built our second dream home. We would be crazy to sell that thing and be gone, and you guys would be so mad at us because when we sold the first home, you were like, what are you doing with yourself? We are happy with our dream home. We're gonna live in it for a few years. At some point, we're gonna have to move out of that, and we might even move out of America. Is that crazy? So we are going to live here and test it out for a month, but we're gonna do something crazy. First, I'm gonna go be a tourist for a little while, and then I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about this series because this series is gonna be amazing, and I hope you guys like it. Do you ever eat junk food when you're in France?
No, not really.
Well, today, we are just going to eat junk food for
we're
lunch.
not.
That's all we're eating.
No, I don't
Yep.
want to.
Right there, see? Junk.
Are we really?
Yeah?
Oh my gosh.
Look at those French fries. How's the French fries? Doesn't look like much right here, but it also looks kind of good at the same time. We got the cookies. I love this little bag. Who took the last cookie? So there it is, junk. I'm going to give the burger review 10 out of 10 on the burger. Honestly, I don't know what you could do. I had to think about that for a minute. The bun was really good. The cheese was super cheesy, and it just tasted right. It just was simple, but so good. There's nothing more I would have liked from that. So good. So this is called the Bon Marché, Le Bon Marché, I think it's called. I don't know, I don't speak French. But Leslie always comes here. So why do you come to this place?
Because I used to live in this area, and so it is the place I would go every weekend because I didn't have any friends and I didn't know anybody, and so I would just walk around and look at things. I couldn't buy very much because I was young and my first job, but it just makes me happy coming here.
So this is what Leslie does when she comes to Paris. You go to the Bon Marché and then you come to the parks next to it. People just hang out. They literally just come and drink Coke Zero and eat baguettes. So I'm using the dual camera, sorry about this. You're just seeing the stuff right here. Like there's a little bird, if I wanted to feed it, I could. Huh? What else is the thing that we need to show people? It's an important thing to do when you're in France. It makes you have fun.
Ice cream.
This is it?
That's it.
This is the magical best ice cream in the world. The train stations here, I love them. I like them so much more than New York City. Look at the vibes. This is the place that we stayed last night. I'm still feeling a little jet lagged. I'm getting over it. What's amazing about this home is, yes, it's a 3-story home and we're staying at the top. But if you look around, we are surrounded by apartments. This on the other side of the wall, oddly enough, is a McDonald's. You wouldn't think that you were in the heart of Paris right now, but watch this. So there's the house. It's tucked away in the middle of all these buildings, protected. And then when you walk out, watch what happens. So again, house, door right here. I walk out and we are in legit streets of Paris. See, if I walk out into this street right now, which I probably shouldn't be doing, you look all the way down there and you see the Arc de Triomphe, and then you look all the way down here and you see La Défense. How crazy is that? The metro, the main street, the Arc de Triomphe, and then you've got this blue door, and this is how we get in. All right, Leslie.
Yes.
We need to tell the world what in the world we are doing. Why would we ever move to France, first of all?
Well, I love France. Since I was super young, I came here when I was a teenager and I just fell in love. It really has been a part of my life for like 25 years, and it's just a special place for me.
But ever since 2018, there's a phenomenon that started on YouTube where people that owned castles would start showing their life of buying a castle and renovating a castle and what that looks like. And once COVID hit, it really picked up steam, and there's even more YouTubers that are sharing their experience. And we couldn't help but get sucked into that world and look at it and think, that looks really fun. We are going to go and stay at a different castle every single video. We are going to take a tour of these places. We're going to interview some of the owners of these places. Most of them are places that you can rent out a room yourself and stay in as an Airbnb. And of course, it wouldn't be a video on our channel if I didn't make it fun in some way. So I've got a few challenges. One, we will ask every castle owner where the best hiding places are. And of course, we're driving an electric car. We're taking a Mercedes electric G-Wagon, which does a really funny thing, the G-turn. So we will attempt to have every castle owner do the G-turn, and then in every video we will share with you our most surprising things and also our favorite things. For the next 2 weeks, it's gonna be 100% full adventure, a ton of fun, and I get to do it just with Leslie. We get to just travel together.
We are so excited to go visit these places and show it to you. And if you aren't familiar with France, that it makes you fall in love with France a little bit, maybe fall in love with castle content and the history that goes behind some of these places. I hope that you just enjoy it as much as I do.
So day 1 of 14 of seeing castles is now in the books. We have moved to France officially. There's so many things that are about to happen. 13 castles in 13 days. Woo! All right, time to get the Uber. One big bag, another small bag, a giant bag here, backpack, that bag. That's how you know we're ready for a big trip.
This is the longest we've ever been on a trip together, I think.
Yes.
For sure.
It's gonna be wild. Yeah, castles. I can't wait.